sauce has both smoked cheddar and super sharp yellow cheddar in it, smoky poblano peppers, onions or shallots and garlic, a little cornstarch is our thickening agent, and when you turn the heat off, add a fat squirt of yellow mustard. Don't let it keep cooking out or your cheese sauce will separate on you. So over here, I added a little mustard to my queso sauce because it's gonna go up on top of my burgers. Big, beautiful patties that are seasoned up with chili powder, salt, pepper, grated onion, and Worcestershire sauce. On down here, I may have pulled some bacon out of the oven to put on these as well. Well, I told you this was inspired by Texas. Texas loves Frito pie, so chili, right, and Fritos. Texas love queso, and Texans do love their bacon. Now, when you are cooking bacon, never pull out a frying pan, ever, ever, ever. You always bake bacon. Why? Because you don't have to flip it. It doesn't make a mess on your stove. It cooks evenly, and all the fat drips away. So why would you not bake the bacon? So this bacon comes from upstate New York, my favorite hickory house called Oscar's, and they ship. It is the world's greatest bacon, let me tell you. Now, I do not like to put a crisscross of bacon on my burgers. I like to coarse chop the bacon and put the bacon sprinkles all over the top of the burger so that every bite of burger has an equal amount of bacon to that bite. I know, that's smart, isn't it? I'm gonna chop up the bacon. So here's how my burger stacks up. It starts out with a BLT. So on the bottom of the bun, I've got chopped up lettuce, diced seeded tomato, and tons of bacon. I also like onion on my burgers, so I put a little bit of fine chopped white onion on there. Now remember what I told you about bacon chunks, right? You cut your bacon up, and instead of doing a crisscross, you make a layer of bacon so that every bite of your burger has an equal bacon distribution to it. Then we're gonna take the burger patties. Now see how perfect these patties cook up because you make them thinner at the center and thicker at the edges. They come out perfectly flat every time. And then we're gonna top them with the corn chips. Oh yes, I did. And these are our chili burgers, so we're gonna turn them into a Frito pie basically by putting Fritos on there. And then we're gonna spill over the queso sauce. And then we're gonna finish it off, not with pickles, but pickled jalapenos. Oh yeah. Oh, yes I did. Boom!